In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a folder in Smartsheet. To get started, open Smartsheet and navigate to the workspace where the folder is stored. If you have a lot of workspaces or folders, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct location before moving forward. This helps avoid copying the wrong folder and keeps your workspace organized. Once you're inside the right workspace, find the folder you want to copy. Depending on how your workspace is set up, you may need to scroll a little or expand sections to locate it. Make sure you've selected the correct folder, especially if there are folders with similar names. Next, open the folder menu. This is usually where Smartsheet keeps actions related to that folder, including options for managing or duplicating it. Look carefully through the menu for the option labeled Save as New, or a copy option if that's what appears in your version of Smartsheet. The exact wording can vary slightly, but the goal is to create a duplicate of the existing folder rather than changing the original. After selecting that option, Smartsheet will typically ask what you want to include in the copied folder. This is an important step because you can decide whether to bring over items such as sheets, reports, dashboards, and forms. Review these choices carefully and select the items you want included. If you're creating a full working duplicate, you'll usually want to include everything relevant. If you only need part of the folder structure, this is your chance to keep the copy more streamlined. Once you've chosen what to include, rename the copied folder. Give it a clear and useful name so you can easily identify it later. A good naming convention can make a big difference, especially if you're creating copies for different teams, projects, or time periods. Try to use a name that tells you exactly what the new folder is for at a glance. When the copy is created, open the new folder and confirm that everything transferred correctly. Check that the expected sheets, reports, dashboards, and forms are there, and make sure the structure matches what you intended to copy. This final review is a simple but important habit because it helps catch missing items right away before you start working in the new folder. That's how to copy a folder in Smartsheet. Once you've verified the contents, your new folder is ready to use.